In this video we are going to see arithmetic operators. Like before going to see the arithmetic operators, let us see a brief introduction of what is operators, operand and expression. So if you taken like this, like a plus 5 or which is equals to something value, let it be 10, like 5 plus 7 which is equals to 12. So generally we write the expressions like this. This is nothing but a mathematical expressions. You all know, I think. So these are nothing but a expressions. So in the further, this is known as a operand, and this is known as a operator. Okay. Same way, this is known as a operand, and this is known as a operator. So now, what is operand and what is operator? Let us define once from this only. So operand is nothing but a value or data to perform operation. Expression is also nothing but a operation. Okay, to perform operation. What is operator? Operator is nothing but a special symbol. Not only a plus, we will have the plus, minus, into, and division, modulus division. Okay, nothing but a special symbol to perform special operation, like to perform required operation. Okay, this is a more clear way to explain, like to perform required operation. Okay, now let us see what is meant by arithmetic operators. Generally, the arithmetic is nothing but a simple, basic. What are the basic operations we have? So for the addition, generally we use symbols like, what are the symbols for addition? We use plus. For subtraction, minus. For the multiplication, we use cross, but here we need to use star. Star nothing but a asterisk. And division, suppose if you perform a division like 5 with the 9, what is the quotient? Quotient will be the 1. Remainder will be the 4. So for division, we are going to get the two outputs, like one is quotient, one is second one is remainder. So one is quotient and one is remainder. So for quotient, if you need to get quotient, we need to use forward slash. If you want to get the remainder, we need to use percentage symbol. Okay. For the quotient, you need to go with the forward slash. For the remainder, you need to use percentage symbol. So this will give the addition, this will give the subtraction symbols, multiplication, division, like quotient value for remainder value. Okay, so how we need to perform is, now just now we have seen, for the operation, for every operation we need operands and operators. So like a plus 5 only we need to see. Okay, so let us say a plus 5 only. Here I am declaring, like let us come into the program section. Directly I am giving int a. Sorry, you need to give in the small letters because it is a case sensitive language. For the uppercase, you need to use uppercase, and for the lowercase, you need to go with the lowercase only. Okay, int a equals to, let it be 5. Okay, like a plus 5 equals to, so here directly I am printing. You need to go with the brackets, like a plus 5. Already a is defined before the printing statement, so no need of pouring of the value of a. So what the output we need to get? We need to get as 10. Okay, if I run the program, here in the output it is showing a plus 5 equals to 10. Okay, let us go with the scanner program. So it is a very useful thing when we go for the scanner program, because you people also are going to familiar with the scanners. So first, when we want to go with the scanner, in the previous video we have discussed, first we need to import like we need to import the scanner, like import java.util.scanner. You need to end with semicolon. So at the first statement you need to write like scanner sc, or you can go with the scan mode. So for the readable purpose only, we are taking the variable sc or scan for the readable purpose only. So for avoid of the complexity, I am just taking sc only. So here I am indicating the user like this with the system.out, with the printing statement only we need to indicate user, isn't it? So in this, enter the a value like this I am indicating. So the entered value you need to store in the a. For storing purpose we have next methods. It is the integer type. You need to go with s dot next int. All this we have discussed in the scanner scanner video. First you need to watch those video, like you will get the clear idea what is meant by scanner. So here I am running the program. In the output section, so it is asking enter the a value. I am entering now. Let it be 7. 7 plus 5, it is a 10. It is a 12. So when I press enter, it is saying a plus 5 equals to 12. So also you can give like this. Instead of directly a, here you can give a plus. So if I run this, it is in a better manner. Like I am giving now 8 plus 5, 13 we need to get. Like 8 plus 5 equals to 13. So this is for taking for one output only. Like we are taking just one input. Let us do with the two inputs. Okay, for the two inputs you need to take 2 times. Like here enter the b value. I am taking like this. I am changing it into the b. So instead of here a, I am writing like this directly. Sorry. Here just remove all this. Here a plus b I am writing here, and here I am changing, instead of 5 I am writing b here. So if I run this, it is asking enter the a value. I am entering the 5. Let us take the b value as 5. Then what will be the output? It will be a 10. Like a plus b equals to 10. Okay. So this is for 2 inputs. You can try for 3 inputs also. Just you need to use one more operator and operand as c. Okay. So this is all about for addition. Let us go for the subtraction. Like a minus b. And instead of plus, here I am giving the minus. Now if I run the program, here you can see it is asking for the a value. Let us give a6. When I press the enter, it is asking the enter the b value. I am giving the 5. When I press enter, it will give the output as 1. We need to get the output as 1. Check here, a minus b equals to 1. Okay. Let us go for the multiplication. For the multiplication, you need to use the symbol as star, like asterisk. Here I am changing the, like generally we use the cross symbol. Here I am entering the value. Let it be 4. When I press enter, I am giving the 2. And when I press, we want the output as 8. It is given successfully. For the quotient, we need to go for the forward slash. Here I am giving the forward slash. So when I run the program, let us take a 5 and the 9 only. First you need to go for 9, and I am giving the 5 here. We need to get the output as 1. Okay. And for the remainder, we need to go for the percentile. Here I am changing it to the percentile. This is for the remainder. So the remainder 9 and 5 we need to get as a 4. So let us check here 9, and here I am giving the like 5. We need to get the output as 4. Okay, this is all about for the arithmetic operators. Next we have so many operators. One by one we are going to discuss in each video. So thank you for watching. I hope you got the clear idea on arithmetic operators. Try it for the practical, like do some experiments on this. Definitely you will get. Thank you for watching.